in Assam, and we want immediate solution of all the underground groups who are in ceasefire, including Ranjan Group, NDAP, including Progressive, and all whoever is in the peace negotiation. And with this mass movement, we are strongly reminding the new government at present, the second NDA under leadership of Narendra Modi ji and the new Home Minister Amit Shah ji, that they have to take up immediately. And we want from a democratic mass movement, and we voice this issue so that we get an immediate solution from the government of India. And the time has come that the people of Bodoland region and the proposed Bodoland region have enough opportunities and have enough time and again given into the political commitments by the government of India. And even the BJP party alone has given us a political commitment through their manifesto. And so we want immediate solution, and we want in full spirit to implement through the Constitution of India under Article 2 and 3 that a separate state can be created, as like that of creation of two union territories in Jammu and Kashmir recently by bifurcating and by bringing down the stature of state of Jammu and Kashmir. So that is very much possible by the government of India, and we hope immediately there will be a solution from the government.
If the government did not return the Bodoland movement, so how long the movement will continue?
See, this is a very long movement, and if the government of India doesn't respond positively very soon and near future, we are continuing this movement, and this movement will continue. And the democratic movement has continued for more than 50 years, and we are on this, and we will be determined to go on with rigorous mass movement and democratic mass movement, and that is what we are hoping with the spirit of the people in the movement.
Rajya Sabha, that they have if they have the will, and they must make the will to create the separate state. And today's program that has been jointly organized here at Udalguri in the Bodoland, proposed Bodoland area, they must take this importance that the public and the Bodo people wants immediate solution, wants peace and integration in this area. So it's an humble appeal even to the Amit Shah, the Home Minister of India, that he should resume the dialogue between this joint movement group that comprises the APSU, the NDAP, and the People's Joint Action Committee for Bodoland movement. And I also appeal that the government should expedite the talk between the National Democratic Front of Progressive and the Democratic Front of Bodoland Ranjan Group, so that an amicable solution to sort out the issues of the Bodos would be made. Thank you.